Sabrina
Sabrina.
New Chien Hang,
Hello.
Taiwan.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sabrina, sales representative from NCTH. First of all, I want to say thank you for everyone who joined today's technical presentation. And today I will give a brief introduction of NCTH, reveal NCTH exclusive product and Q&A session. Boleh di berikutnya, Bu, slide-nya? Halo? Oh ya. Berikutnya lagi, Bu. And Bu, nanti kalau aku itu next itu berarti udah boleh berikutnya ya. So NCTH is company based in Taiwan and has been a devoted supplier for foundry industry since 1984. Over the years, we managed to establish 2 warehouses, 2 branch office in Kaohsiung City and Taichung. And also in 2018, in 2018, we have been certified ISO 9001. Next. And also, NCTH vision and mission is to be the leader as a foundry supplier in Asia and also become your reliable long-term partner. And also we prioritize professionalism, service, and quality control. Next. And NCTH offer a wide range of products for foundry industry, such as ferroalloy, pure metals, material for molding, assistant materials, refractories, and also NCTH exclusive products. Next. And with many years of experience in the foundry industry and understanding our customer problem, we have successfully developed our own products such as FlexX Super Bond Plus, isothermic anti-piping compound, high-strength plastic, and last, furnace vibrator machine. And NCTH product is famously known as being environmentally friendly, reduce cost, and high quality. With more and more regulation concerning environmental problem, which could become one of the foundry industry biggest obstacle, it is one of the reasons that we are so focused on developing environmentally friendly product. Next. And here is some overview of our global customer. We have many customers from Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan, and of course Indonesia. And also we are the DFP exclusive distributor in Taiwan. Next. And actually today main purpose is to revealing one of our exclusive product, which is Super Bond Plus. It is one of the new emerging innovative product for foundry industry. It is especially important for green cast molding. And for your information, green cast molding is one of the most applied molding methods. It is cheaper, but also could easily causing defects. So Super Bond Plus could solve that problem. Next. Sorry Bu, boleh bantu putar videonya? Kayaknya aku ada kirim satu lagi file video yang ada linknya gitu, link dari Google Drive. Okay, so this video will give you a brief idea about what is Super Bond Plus.
Effects due to incompact sand blowing. Generally, dextrin or alpha starch are added to green sand to solve this problem, but the efficiency of adding dextrin or alpha starch is limited. To solve the problem more effectively, NCTH invented NCTH Mold Surface Stabilizer,
As also we call it as
Academic
Superbond
experiments
Plus.
showed that adding NCTH mold surface stabilizer to green sand resulted in better performance than dextrin or alpha starch added to green sand.
So actually Superbond Plus can substitute dextrin or alpha starch. So here we are comparing Superbond Plus with alpha starch or dextrin.
Compared with adding dextrin or alpha starch, adding NCTH mold surface stabilizer to green sand can increase green strength 6% to 8%.
And Superbond could increase green strength 6 to 8%.
Compared with adding dextrin to alpha starch, adding NCTH mold surface stabilizer to green sand can increase mold surface stability 8% to 25%. Green sand mold with added NCTH mold surface stabilizer has excellent collapsibility and prevents green sand from forming sand grains or sand balls, which improves the recycle rate of green sand. The amount of NCTH mold surface stabilizer required is just 1/3 to 1/5 the quantity of dextrin or alpha starch added. Just adding a small quantity of NCTH mold surface stabilizer in green sand can achieve excellent production speed, reduced cost, and improved quality. This makes green sand mold work much better and results in the best final products. Please contact us if you need more information. Green sand mold is one of the most widely used molding
Mulai
methods.
balik ke PPT-nya lagi. Okay. And here's the specification for Superbond Plus, which is it is a mix of 30% binder, 50% of bright carbon, and moisture up to 1.5%, and it has the size of 80 mesh, and it comes with 500 kilos per bag or 20 kilos per bag. Next. And we have 3 types of Superbond, which is Super A, Super B, and Super C. And Super A is for the recycled sand that has already contained Superbond Plus. Super B is customized for stainless steel and alloy steel, which has a low or no carbon at all. And Super C, it is for a first time user with high concentration ratio. And so first you have for cast steel you have to use Super A first, and then change it to you have to use Super C first and then change it to Super A mixed with Super C. I will explain it later. And besides these 3 types, we can also customize Superbond Plus with concentration ratio based on our customer's request. And if you are also not sure, you could also consult with us first by providing your sand system data. Next. Okay, for cast iron, you can use the blend of Super C and Super A, and you can add amount based on your weight of coal first and then maintain for 1 month. After 1 month, you can add it based on your sand system. For example, if 1 kilos of silica sand, you can add additional bentonite, additional Superbond Plus 0.5 to 0.8 kilos. And for cast steel, you can use Super B and then mix the sand based on your sand system, which is 0.1%. And for example, 1,000 kilos of silica sand, you can add additional Superbond Plus B for 1 kilo. Next. And so based on your sand system standard requirement, for 1,000 kilos of silica sand, you need a bentonite 10 to 12%, active bentonite 8 to 10%, water or moisture up to 3%, and then Superbond Plus 0.5 to 0.8%. Actually, usually we will use coal dust or dextrin, but you can substitute your coal dust and dextrin to Superbond Plus. So based on this, you can add 0.5 to 0.8 kilos of Super Bond Plus for 1,000 kilos of silica sands. Next. And here is a few benefits of Super Bond Plus, because it could increase permeability. Permeability means that it can allow gas or liquid pass through the sandbox, and it could decrease material usage amount. For example, steel shot, sand bentonite, improve fluidity of sand blowing, increase mold surface stability, excellent collapsibility, increased strength of green sand. And I will explain more about it later. Next. And excellent collapsibility, which means that sands is more easy to collapse, and it could increase the amount of sands that you could recycle, and then decrease usage amount of bentonite. And also, it could also, with Super Bond Plus, it could also make your casting product become more cleaner. It could decrease usage amount of seal shot and during the blasting process. And also with all of this, it could decrease your cost of production. As you can see from from those pictures, before Super Bond Plus and after Super Bond Plus. Before using Super Bond Plus, you can see that your casting product have more like more sands, and then after using Super Bond Plus, you can see that your casting product become more cleaner, and you can have like more of sands could be recycled, and then decrease usage amount of steel shot during blasting process. And next. And also with Super Bond Plus, it could increase the strength of your green sand molding. And with Super Bond Plus, you don't need to use sand core. For example, these two picture, we can see that two casting product without sand core, with this size, with wide 4 cm, that for 6 cm, and with 6 cm, that 10 cm. And the stronger the green sand, it could also have a rejection product decrease up to 20%. Next. And also it could increase the fluidity of blowing sand, improve surface of casting product, increase mold surface stability up to 25%, decrease erosion of molding, sand on pouring process, increase stability of green sand, decrease product rejection. Because with Super Bond Plus, you can see from that picture that the casting product become more precise and detailed, and you don't need to pay extra cost in processing your casting product again. Like for more increased fluidity of blowing sand, the sand could reach smaller and tinier part of your casting product, as you can see from this picture here. And then next. After application of Super Bond for 6 months, you can have this advantage, which is have a more uniform sand hardness. And then with a better strength of green sand, it could decrease your casting defect more than 25%, increase collapsibility up to 80%, which is you can have more sands could be recycled, reduce wet casting sand up to 10%. You don't require preheating mold, increase quality of sand, decrease air sand process during molding pattern. And because your casting product is cleaner, it could also decrease blasting process up to 20%. You will have more beautiful casting product. And last but not least, it could totally reduce your cost of production. And next. And this is an actual case based from our customer for this kind of DISA system with this kind of size molding. And also we will mix Super Bond Plus first, Super Bond with bentonite with sand together, and then mix it together with water. And and next. And here's the result of sand quality testing. As you can see here, the main important one is you can see that for 2,800 kilos of silica sands, you can add additional quantity of Super Bond Plus 1.2 to 1.6 kilos, which is it substitute your Secol, and then it could affect the gray part, which is green compressive strength. surface stability index, compactability, and permeability. These four elements, it could increase your green sand composite strength, surface stability index, and permeability, but it could decrease your compactability. And you can see that the upper one is before, the below one is before using Super Bond Plus, and then the upper one is after using Super Bond Plus. Next. And also with Super Bond Plus, it could lower your sand inclusion, become like your casting product become more cleaner. And next. And it could also your casting product become more precise and detailed. And next. And also that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any inquiry or question, you can go straight to our official website. You can also see more of our product in our official website, or you can directly contact me through WhatsApp or email. And if you have any question right now, you can also ask me right now. Thank you.
Baik, terima kasih kepada Sabrina
Iya,
atas
sama-sama, Bu.
presentasinya yang sangat menarik sekali pada hari ini. Ibu, ini kita telah mendapatkan 2 pertanyaan. Pertanyaan pertama dari Bapak Reza Cikarang.
Oke.
Pertanyaannya adalah, NCTH is trader or manufacturer? Do you have a branch office or distributors in Indonesia? If yes, what is the name of the company?
Halo, oke. Jadi NCTH, aku jawab pakai Indonesia apa Inggris ya?
Boleh, silakan. Silakan Ibu. Bahasa Indonesia boleh.
Iya. Jadi NCTH itu memang trader dan manufacturer. Jadi kita ada produksi barang sendiri yang tadi aku sempat mention pas di PPT itu. Dan sekarang ini kita belum ada distributor di Indonesia, tapi kita ada di negara lain kayak di Cina. Iya.
Baik, terima kasih Ibu atas jawabannya. Pertanyaan kedua dari Bapak Ray. Pertanyaannya adalah apa perbedaan produk Superbond Anda dengan pasir bentonit dan apa kelebihannya serta berapa minimum quantity untuk order. Baik, silakan dijawab Ibu.
Jadi kalau Super Bond Plus ini sebenarnya lebih ke sikol sih. Jadi bentonit tetap dipakai gitu, Bu. Dan kelebihannya kayak yang tadi aku udah sebutin beberapa kali itu. Kalau misalnya dia itu bisa increase permeability-nya, yang dimana nanti pasirnya itu jadi lebih bisa masuk ke yang lebih detail gitu casting produknya. Habis itu juga kalau misalnya kayak kalau misalnya sama genisan ibanya juga lebih banyak yang bisa di-recycle gitu gensetnya. Jadi pas kita kasih produknya jadi lebih bersih, produknya juga jadi lebih banyak, jadi nggak melakukan proses blasting gitu. Jadi bentonitnya tetap dipakai sih. Jadi Superbond ini cuma gantiin sikol atau dextrite. Yang kayak tadi aku ada di PPT itu. Bentonitnya tetap dipakai.
Baik, terima kasih atas jawabannya. Sekarang kita akan memasuki pertanyaan ketiga dari Bapak Andromeda dari PT Nusa Metal. Do you have product for aluminium? What is the different characteristics aluminium and steel or iron? Silakan dijawab Ibu. Silakan dijawab Ibu.
Produk untuk aluminium, casing aluminium kita semuanya ada sih untuk produk-produk buat soalnya kita emang butuh foundry, membuat foundry kan ya. Dan kalau misalnya perbedaan steel aluminium atau steel iron, kita punya produk perbedaannya cuma untuk di cast stainless steel cast steel sama cast iron doang. Jadi kalau cast steel itu kan biasanya yang low carbon. Jadi kita punya sen itu bisa low carbon gitu. Tapi sebenarnya itu super bondasnya juga bisa di-customize sesuai dari customer kita gitu. Kalau misalnya customer berasa rasionya kayak gimana, nanti kita bisa customize sesuai yang atau kalau mereka kurang tahu atau kurang yakin mereka bisa provide ke sistem datanya. Konsultasi sama kita, nanti kita konsultasi sama kita, nanti kita bisa rasio mana yang lebih cocok, kasih tahu rasio mana yang lebih cocok. Ada lagi Bu?
Baik, terima kasih Bu atas jawabannya. Itu tadi pertanyaan terakhir. Mungkin Pak Cimangku masih punya informasi. Audiensis, kami persilakan.
Mungkin aku kalau misalnya kalian ada pertanyaan boleh juga langsung visit ke kita show exhibition case yang ada di website IMT. Itu di sana ada kontak aku, dan juga ada official website dari NCTH. Jadi kalau mau tahu lebih lanjut tentang produk-produk kita juga boleh langsung visit ke website kita aja. Kalau ada pertanyaan apapun juga boleh langsung direct kontak ke aku. Paling kayak gitu aja.
Baik, terima kasih kepada Ibu Sabrina atas presentasi pada siang hari ini yang luar biasa sekali ya Ibu ya, dan sangat menarik sekali. Baik, thank you ya Bu.
Thank you Bu ya, udah jadi moderator sama PPT-nya itu tadi tiba-tiba nggak bisa kebuka.
Tidak apa-apa Bu, terima kasih banyak kami yang sudah sangat berterima kasih siang hari ini Ibu sudah mempresentasikan dengan luar biasa. Kepada Bapak Ibu semuanya yang masih ingin berdiskusi dengan lebih lanjut mengenai produk dari Nutrien Tehang Co Ltd dari Taiwan, kami persilakan menuju fitur online web exhibitor showcase kami di website, dan pada kolom search silakan mengetik nama perusahaannya sehingga Bapak Ibu semua bisa terkoneksi secara langsung mengenai produk dari PT Nutrien Tehang.